Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to generate YouTube video tags using Chatgpt. Let me upload a video from my laptop. Select video file. Now video is uploading and this one is the video title. Now I can copy this title and open Chatgpt. You can easily create a free account for Chatgpt and start using it. Here let me add generate YouTube video tags using this title. With respect to maximum allowed characters for YouTube video. Then add the video title and press enter. Now here you can see tags are generated. We can copy these tags and then scroll down. Click on show more, then again scroll down. Here you can find out tag option, add here. Scroll down and now here you can see 435 characters. Maximum 500 characters are allowed for tags. You can also add tags as a keyword here. Then click on next button, and if your channel is monetized you can enable it. Then scroll down and let me fill out these. Now final step is click on public button, then publish. In this way you can easily generate any video tags using AI tool.